Welcome back to our 34th web programming tutorial. Now in this video we're going to talk about fixed positioning, and I'm on the YouTube page, well my YouTube page, for a reason here, and as we can see we've got the search bar at the top. Now if I were to search for my page, and just hit enter, what we'll do is we'll come up with quite a few videos. Well, there's my page, and then there's some other videos, and we get down and we see there are some more of my videos down there as well. And what we also see is we see that the search bar is still here, along with the upload page and notifications and other stuff. But why is that? Well, that's what we're covering here. We're covering fixed positioning. And what I need to do is, firstly, we used ID in the last one, so we need to do that here because it's the only way that we're going to really work this. And instead of just using a plain ID, I was going to call it IMG1, but when I was originally trying to do it, I accidentally hit the O, so I'll end up with OMG1. So I'll just leave it at, just leave it like that. And now over here, I'm going to introduce that OMG1, and as you might remember from last time, we need to add a little hashtag in, and we want to grab these two values. Now, just sort of hitting around buttons at the moment. The issue that we're going to have at the moment is, again, we're using the absolute position when we want to use the fixed position. So make sure that that's changed. And now if we save, the other one saved, yep. When we run our div page, got a nice little button right here. It's down a little bit from the top and across a little bit from the left. And that's basically all the changes. And we can just scroll down and see the rest of our page. But as you can see, we've got our nice little button right here. Well, not button now, nice little image. So essentially, like, this is basically a banner. And we can go up and down, and it will always stay in the same position. So this is good for, again, like the search bar on YouTube. We can always move up and down, but we'll still always have that search bar. And when you get to more advanced programming levels, this is the kind of thing that you can do. You can create like a nice little banner up top that will always stay there, or part of it will always stay there, and you'll be able to scroll down and you'll always have access to either links or videos, or I don't know, whatever you want the user to have access to, or whatever you want available to anyone. So that's all we're going to cover in this one. We've basically covered all of the stuff we're going to cover with our CSS and HTML, and next couple of videos we'll move on to JavaScript. We've covered a great deal of CSS and HTML. There are obviously some stuff that we still haven't covered, but it's less important at this point. We've gotten through quite a lot, and we now know more about both of them. We've got a basic to intermediate understanding of HTML and CSS, and it's really, from here, I've given you the basics, but if you want to learn or understand more of it, it really comes down to more programming rather than watching a video on how you do it. It comes down to how you want to actually do it. So I can't really do more with this, whereas you guys can come in here, you can create your own banner, you can put our little image into a div tag, add in some text, and then dump that at the top left corner of the page or wherever you want to put it. I can't spend my time doing all this stuff and trying to help you out with everything, because if I do, then you'll never actually know how to program. You'll just see what I've done and then work it from there. But if you take your time, do a little bit of work on this yourself, you'll wind up with a much greater knowledge of programming than I could teach you. So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time for, I believe, our last CSS tutorial. And we're going to do something fun in this next video, so stick around for it. But if you don't want to, just move on to, well, skip the next video and watch our first JavaScript one. So anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.